Oh man, it's another cold day out here in Kentucky, but I want to talk to you for a second about something that's kind of popped up on my F-150. You know, this truck, like I've mentioned many times, got 125,000 miles on it, so got some wear and tear on it, and it's been used as a truck, you know, towing trailers and that kind of thing. It's been really a flawless truck until last month when I had that radiator hose leak. Uh, Coolant decided to come spilling out of the truck on me one winter morning, so bought a $3 O-ring and a $20 jug of antifreeze and fixed that. It was a pretty simple fix. But then this morning I came out, and I don't know if I just hadn't been paying a lot of attention to it lately or what, but this morning when I walked outside, I had the truck remote started, getting ready to go to work, and I noticed that there was a ticking sound coming from the engine. I wouldn't really call it a knock. It's more like a tick, 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 tick. And looked on the forums, and apparently it's pretty common with these 5-liter engines to have that ticking noise in them. So I don't know what's going on with that exactly. Obviously I just noticed this, so haven't really had time to tear into it yet to see what's going on with it. Don't even know if I should tear into it or not. Maybe it's normal, you know, I don't know. If you guys have experience with this, comment below and let me know what you think about it or what you've diagnosed it as. I'm going to post a clip on here now to kind of show you what it sounds like. And then, like I said, if you've had this issue, comment below and let me know whether I should be concerned or not. All right. I'll keep you updated if I find out anything. But for now, here's the issue. So thanks for watching.